In this video, we'll review general navigation of the upFLEX system. The function keys adjacent to the display correspond with the icons shown on screen. Use the function buttons near the rotary knob to navigate through menu screens. The rotary knob is used to select values. Upon startup, you will be prompted to select the operating mode. We will begin by selecting the boom configuration. Press 1 if you're using main boom. In our example, we're using a jib, so we will press 2. Next, select the jib offset. We will choose the first offset by pressing 1. You'll be prompted to select whether your jib is retracted or extended. Ours is retracted, so we will press 1. To set the value for the counterweight, use the function keys to increase or decrease the value. Press OK to confirm your selection. To set the hoist, press 2 if you are using an auxiliary hoist. In our example, we're going to use the main hoist by pressing 1. If your system includes outrigger monitoring, you'll be prompted to confirm your outrigger position. Our example does not include outrigger monitoring, so we will press 4 for full outriggers. To set the reeving, use the function keys to increase or decrease the value to match your configured reeving. Press OK to confirm your selection. You are now on the operating mode confirmation screen. If everything looks correct, press OK again. If the configuration is incorrect, adjust the reeving or hoist directly or press Delete to restart operating mode configuration. In our example, the configuration is correct, so we will press OK to confirm. The main working screen will now display values based on your selections. The heartbeat moves when the system is running as it should. If it stops, this signals that the system is non-responsive. The mute button temporarily silences the audible alarm if necessary. The bar graph will change from green, signifying that you're working within limits, to yellow, indicating you're nearing the limit, to red, meaning that you're over capacity. The reeving box displays current reeving. You'll also see values for tip height, boom length, boom angle, and radius. If your machine includes a boom control system, the extension percentages of each telescopic section will be displayed. The max and current load is shown at the bottom of the display. As you approach capacity, the bar graph will turn yellow and a yellow caution icon will appear. The bar graph will turn red and an overload warning will appear for exceeded capacity or errors. When the machine is in 2-block condition, the bar graph will turn red and the 2-block icon will illuminate. This code indicates the selected operating mode. To change the settings, press the gear wheel button. To adjust the alarm or the brightness, press the set button. To adjust display brightness, press the button and rotate the knob to adjust. Once you have your desired brightness, press the confirmation button. Follow the same steps to adjust the brightness of the buttons. To adjust the alarm volume, press the alarm button and enter the password when prompted. You may need to refer to your manual for this information. Press the back button to return to the main settings menu. Press this button if you need to set up the sensors. The remaining buttons in the settings menu are all advanced service options. Consult your manual for more information on these options. Press the back button to return to the main working screen. Press information to view current operating mode, outrigger monitoring, central unit and HMI version, analog inputs, digital outputs, digital inputs, CAN sensors, and boom control system. Press the back button to return to the main working screen. Press limit settings to set working limits. On this screen, we can set limits for virtual walls, boom angle, radius, tip height, and slew angle. Press the back button to return to the main working screen. Pressing tear zeroes out the load on the display. Tear is released when the radius changes. If you have a system error, the error screen will automatically appear with a description and a cause. Resolve the error to return to the main working screen. This concludes your step-by-step overview of operator navigation. You're now ready to operate the upFLEX system.